Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the USDJPY Forex pair. I'm on the daily time frame again, looking for the long-term trades, and prior to clicking on record I drew these support and resistance zones. The resistance zone is based off these 4 or 5 touches here, and the support is based off these 2 touches here. So the long term, up till December, the end of this year, we're in May now, the long term is for it to ping pong in between this channel, but for the short term, the next 60 candlesticks, 2 months, I'm going to draw these trend lines. So I'm going to be drawing a wedge, starting this candlestick here, I'm going to be drawing a wedge within a channel, and the short term, as I said, over the next 2 months will be for price action to move north to retest the top of the wedge. Now the super long term would be to retest the resistance, hopefully get rejected and fall right back down to support in an ideal world. I'm going to delete the arrows. Now a nice little indicator that today is a good day to buy is, oh, let me take it off auto so I can stretch the candles out a bit. I'll put it back on auto actually and just zoom in. It's 6 o'clock in the afternoon now, well, 6:30 UK time, so there's 6 more hours until this daily candlestick closes, but it seems to be forming a bullish shooting star. Now it's not perfect because there's a wick coming out the top of it, and I understand a lot of people, well, me myself, 6 months ago, 12 months ago, I'd look at that and not class it as one. But with candlesticks, you've got to look at it and learn and read what is price action doing. Now, yes, it might not be the perfect candlestick, but price opened at 110.2. It dropped down to the trend line drew before and bounced right back up. It was rejected harshly on a daily candlestick. It isn't a 5-minute candlestick, it's a daily. So throughout the course of the day, the bulls are in play. So that means today would be an alright day to buy, following the previous blue arrow that I drew with a take profit of, this ain't a signal by the way, this is just what goes through my mind, a take profit of 112.41 I think it is, and a stop loss below the previous low, which is 109.68. so there's quite a few pips to be, as I said, it's a daily candlestick, daily time frame, so there's quite a few pips to be bought here. And then once price action reaches the top of the trend line, if it does, be looking for either a reversal back down to continue through the wedge, or if it breaks out, another buy trade be put in right to the resistance zone.